In today's video, I'm going to give you all a full growing guide on how to grow eucalyptus in your very own backyard. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, as many of you all know, there is lots of different types of eucalyptus you could grow. Although majority of all the varieties of eucalyptus grow like a tree, some of them are more manageable, such as this baby blue eucalyptus, which I'll be growing. So I went ahead and already dug the hole in which I'll be planting my eucalyptus in. When it comes down to planting eucalyptus, you want to make sure that they're grown in well-draining soil. And that is because eucalyptus cannot sit or grow in wet feet. So since this is a type of like evergreen slash perennial slash shrub, I'm going to be mixing in a biotone starter fertilizer. So here is how the plant looks. We got actually a couple plants in here, but I'll just plant them as is. I don't want to disturb the roots, so I'm gonna just plant it as is. If it's root bound, tease up the roots a little bit. You want to make sure that it's at ground level, not too deep nor too high. And like so, you planted a eucalyptus. Now, eucalyptus likes to grow in partial sun, which means they can only grow in areas that receives 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Just like I mentioned previously, eucalyptus cannot sit in wet feet, which actually comes to our watering schedule. They actually have to dry out in between waterings, meaning that the soil has to dry out in order for you to water it well again. The best way to tell if your plant is ready to be watered again, check the first inch or two of the soil. If it's completely dried out, go ahead and give the plant a good drink of water. Since this is more of an ornamental plant, I could recommend any type of fertilizer out there that is meant for ornamental shrubs. But since I'm an organic gardener, I would usually feed them with organic fertilizers such as homemade compost or earthworm castings. If you see any early signs of disease or some type of pest happening, treat it as soon as possible so your plant doesn't get affected as much. I would always recommend neem oil, which is a plant-based, very effective solution that I use in my garden. And just like that, you have not only successfully planted your eucalyptus plant, but now you know how to properly care for it as it grows in your garden. Eucalyptus has multiple different uses. Lots of people, like for example, like me, we're going to be using it for cut flower arrangements because it's commonly used for its ornamental purposes. But many people actually grow eucalyptus to also put as a fragrance because the aroma of eucalyptus is very relaxing. Leave me in the comment section down below. Have you grown eucalyptus? If you did, let me know how's your experience like. Make sure to leave a like underneath this video, share with your friends and family so we can have more people joining our gardening community. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can help me with my goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers. And make sure to turn on the bell notification button so you get notified when I release a new video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family. And never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye, everyone.